Okay, welcome to your third JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be covering JavaScript variables and built-in types. I will also be using the Firefox web browser along with the Firebug console used for debugging and error checking. Now you could get the Firebug console at getfirebug.com. Once you go onto this website, click the install Firebug button right here to install Firebug, and once you install it for Firefox, simply press F12 to load the Firebug console. Now, like I said, this is a great tool for error checking and debugging your JavaScript code. Okay, now there are 6 built-in JavaScript types, that being undefined, null, Boolean, number, string, and object. Okay, now variables are containers used to hold members of these built-in types. Okay, so, to declare a variable, we use the keyword var. So, for example, let's declare a variable n. So we say var n. Okay, now this variable n is currently of the type undefined because it doesn't have a value. Okay, so if we console.log type of n, we will get undefined. As you can see here, we have undefined. Now the next built-in type is the null type. Now we use the null type when we don't want a variable to have a value of undefined, and at the same time we don't want to give it an actual value. So we will simply give it a null value. Okay, we will say it's temporarily null. Okay, so if we console.log n, we will get a value of null. Okay, now the other type is the Boolean type. A Boolean has 2 possible values. It could be either true or false. So we could say n equals true. Okay, console.log n, or we could say n equals false. Sorry, console.log n equals false. If we let's say we assign a value of, for example, 1. So if we say we can find out whether it's true that this variable n equals to 1. So we could say console.log n equals 1, and this will log whether it's true or false that n equals to 1. It's true. Okay, that's the 2 possible values for the Boolean built-in type. The other type is number, like we have here. We assign the n variable a value of 1. Console.log, we have 1, or we could say console.log n, and we have 1, or we could say console.log type of n, and we have number right here. Okay, now the other built-in type is string. Any value that's placed between quotation marks is a string. So we could say put that same one in here, and we console.log type of n, and we will get string because it's placed within quotation marks. Okay, so if you place any other value and console.log it out, we will get string as well. Okay, now the other built-in type is an object. Now any value that has an opening and closing curly brackets is an object. Okay, but an object, as we'll see in further tutorials, can come in different forms as well. Okay, so that is the JavaScript built-in types. We have 6 built-in types, that being undefined, null, Boolean, number, string, and object. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in further tutorials. Thank you.